Now this is the second type of problem in which I have a open loop system k upon s into s square plus 4s plus 8. In this case I have a complex pole k upon s into s plus 2 plus 2j s plus 2 minus 2j. I break it using this. Now my poles are s is equal to 0, s is equal to minus 2 plus 2j, s is equal to minus 2 minus 2j. I have to plot these. For this case, GS axis, k upon s one pole at origin, one pole at minus 2, this is my minus 2, and here, one is here, one is here. Then this is my plus 2j, and this is my minus 2j. Okay. Now I have to find number of branches, which is equal to, again, p is greater than 0, then p is equal to n, which is equal to 3. Now I have to find number of zeros lies on infinity, which is given by p minus z is equal to 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 3 zeros lies at infinity, on which my root locus branches terminate. Now centroid, real part of poles, minus 2, minus 2, minus 0, there is no 0, so minus 0 upon 3 minus 0, minus 4 by 3, which is equal to minus 1.33. let it is over here, this point is here, centroid. Now I have to find asymptote, 2q plus 1 upon p minus z, and in this case p minus z minus 1 is equal to 2, so my q is 0, 1, 2, and from this, using these q values, I have to find these angles, and my angles are again 60, 300 and 180. 60, 300, and this is 180 degree. Now I have to find break point, which is given by 1 plus gh is equal to 0, and this is my equation, s cube plus 4s plus 8s plus k is equal to 0. On differentiating dk upon ds, I got this, and from this my points are s is equal to minus 1.33 plus minus 0.94 j. Using these, this is my break point, and in case of poles I have break away point. Okay, and my break away point is, let it is 0.94, and here it is 0.94 negative j. Okay, now I have to find intersection point on j omega axis, which is given by this characteristic equation, and using Routh array I got this auxiliary equation for k is equal to 32, and my point are s is equal to 2.82 j, that it is 2.82 j, and this is my 2.82 j negative, my root locus. Now I have to find angle of departure for this pole and angle of departure for this pole. Angle of departure is always exist in the case of complex poles, and angle of arrival in the case of complex zeros. Then now angle of departure for a particular pole, let it is my s minus s is equal to minus 2 plus 2j is equal to 180 minus phi, and my phi is equal to summation of angle of poles minus summation of angle of zeros. in this case there is no zeros, so this value is equal to 0, and phi is equal to summation of poles angle, and poles angles are calculated using this. I have to connect this to this. This is my angle, and this angle is calculated using trigonometric formulas. This value is -2, this value is +2. So using trigonometry, my tan theta is equal to 2/2 is equal to 1, and theta is equal to 45 degree, and I have to connect this to this, and my this angle is 90 degree. Okay, this angle is 45, so I have to take this angle in anti-clockwise, and this angle is 180 minus 45, which is equal to 135. So my this pole makes 135 angle, and this pole make 90 degree angle. So phi is 135 plus 190 degree, and my phi for this pole is equal to 180 minus 135 plus 90 is equal to minus 45 degree. Now the angle of departure is minus 45 degree, means from the real axis it is minus 45 degree. And for this pole again I have to find angle of departure, and which is equal to phi s is equal to -2 minus 2j is equal to 180 minus phi. Again phi is equal to summation of phi p minus summation of phi z. In this case again it is equal to 0, and my phi is equal to phi p, and angles are, this pole makes this angle, this angle means this angle with this in anti-clockwise, and this pole makes this angle which is 90 degree. Now this is my 90 degree, and this is again, this value is 2, this value is 2, then theta is equal to 45 degree. Again this is my 45 degree. Now phi is equal to 90 plus 45 degree is equal to 135 degree, and my angle for this pole, angle of departure for this pole is equal to 180 minus 135 is equal to 45 degree. Now again my pole angle of departure is 45, which goes through the breakaway point and through the intersection point, and from here minus 45 degree through the breakaway point and through the intersection point, and this is my root locus. And for this pole it goes through here, because my root locus at this point, number of poles and zeros lie towards left side is 1, and from this point also odd numbers. So my root locus, this branch goes here, this goes here, and this goes here. Thank you.